As a first time mother, I want to speak or I want to say to the new moms or the soon to be moms that it's good you feel the way you feel. Everything takes time. You are good and you were created for that. Don't you ever doubt that. The body changes are meant to be and are a permanent mark for some. And it's a good reminder that once upon a time, you once gave birth to someone. And there's a human being that was born out of you, which is a beautiful thing. Don't allow the community to define how to be a mom to your child and also how to be after giving birth. We are people go through different changes during and after pregnancy. And some people, after giving birth, it takes a while for them to get back on track, and some a short period of time. I remember how I used to panic of how I looked after giving birth because I'm used to be this slim with like everything was perfect for me. Now I seem to be not comfortable with the new body that I had after giving birth. And people will always talk. People will always talk. You need to close your ears during pregnancy to avoid the stress and depression. You are in control of your body. Whatever that happens in your body knows that is perfect and is made for you. All I can say, pregnancy or postpartum reaction, it starts after giving birth and then changes come. You might lose weight, you might gain weight during that process. There's nothing wrong with that. You need to acknowledge and appreciate that you are a mother and you gave birth to someone and you're nurturing someone, and it will never change that. And that's a blessing. That's the first blessing that God gave us because not everyone can be able to do that, and not everyone can go through that process. You need to find yourself fortunate to have passed the stage and focus on what is happening and raising that child at that moment. The community is there, but it won't do anything to your body or to the changes that happens to you. Don't feel pressured. When the time is right, God will make things to fall in place